Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with NextGA Aircraft. Folks, I have one of the most gorgeous Speedbirds you could ever hope to own, a 2017 Cessna TTX, one of the last ones ever built. Your opportunity to own a little piece of Columbia history. So let's talk about your race-bred engine. Teledyne Continental TSIO 550, 310 horsepower, twin turbocharged, only 690 hours on the engine and airframe since new. Check out that gorgeous prop, only 200 since prop overhaul. So folks, as you likely know, the Cessna TTX is the fastest airplane in its class. Talk about speeds up to 235 knots. We can fly as high as flight level 250. We do have built-in oxygen on board. And when it comes to flying to our dream and business destinations, 1,000 miles without a pit stop. So with an airplane this sleek, this sexy, this slippery, you might think, oh, how hard is it to slow down? Well, that's what we have the speed brakes for. So let's say we're coming in to land and we're hot and we're high. We don't want to just chop the power and perhaps risk shock cooling the engine. No worries, we can deploy the speed brakes. So we're coming in and gee, at the last minute, we have to go around. But you forget to retract the speed brakes, no problem, the airplane's going to climb just fine. The exterior of this TTX is drop-dead gorgeous. Launch maroon pearl and autumn wood pearl, 9 out of 10, only 690 hours total time on the airframe since new. Talk about a head turner, the rock star of the runway. I love these gorgeous sleek lines of the Cessna TTX. You don't get this in an all-metal airplane. Love the composite construction. Now when it comes to structural integrity, this aircraft comes with 2 wingtip to wingtip wing spars made out of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is 6 times stronger than steel. And did you know that just one of the wing spars is strong enough to withhold the utility category of the aircraft? When you have an airplane this exceptional, this beautiful, you're going to want to fly her places and show her off. We can carry up to 120 pounds back here. Let's say we want to go to the Bahamas or we want to go to Aspen, we want to take our skis. We can do that, and you might wonder, well, how does that work? See that black bar back there? We can remove that, fold the seats down, and load the airplane like an SUV. So come on in and let's check out the interior together. Gorgeous condition. Check out the Blaze 2-tone leather seats, perfect carpet, shoulder harnesses for everybody, 4-place intercom system, and we've got the set it and forget it climate control with air conditioning. So take a look at your Garmin G2000 intrinsic cockpit with WAS and synthetic vision avionics package. You'll enjoy a touchscreen controller. Your transponder is Mode S with traffic ADS-B out. We have dual Navcom GPS WAS with glide slope on number 2. Your flight display is 14 inches, PFD MFD, dual AHRS, flight information system with XM radio, TAWS-B, synthetic vision technologies, electronic stability protection, electronic checklist, autopilot with go-around switch, electric trim, autopilot disconnect, control stick steering button, Garmin Safe Taxi and flight charts, traffic advisory system, backup airspeed altimeter and attitude indicators, CO2 detector, built-in pulse oximeter, and more. Other features you will appreciate. This aircraft is certified for flight into known icing. You'll enjoy automatic climate control system with air conditioning, built-in 4-place oxygen, engine preheater, dual fully redundant electrical system with cross-tie feature, tow bar, cargo net, and more. If you're ready to scream through the sky at record speeds, this is your bird. This beautiful 2017 Cessna TTX is looking for a new home. Now remember, one of the last Cessna TTXs ever built. your chance to own a little piece of Columbia history. Now, this airplane is not going to last. She's so beautiful and popular, so if you're interested, I encourage you to give us a call right away. We're Next GA Aircraft. We're here at Piedmont Triad International Airport. She's pristine, she's beautiful, she's ready to zoom you away. Yes, she is the rock star of the runway. And Cessna TTX School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you Cessna TTX. Now look, if you're looking for a new airplane, it may take you 2 or 3 years to get a new airplane. This is about as new as you can get that's available now, the famous Cessna TTX. For Next GA Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.